Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to revise chapter 2 from your Social Studies book Window on the World. Okay students, so students, in our previous videos we had already completed this chapter, but today we are going to revise this chapter once. Okay students, so let's start. Firstly, take out your Social Studies book Window on the World, which is look like this, and open chapter 2. So students, open chapter 2, page number 7. Okay, open chapter 2, page number 7. So what is our chapter name students? The food we eat. Our chapter name is The Food We Eat. So food means our meal. Okay, so our meal that we eat is called our food. Okay, so students, in this chapter you will learn about the importance of food, and you will also learn the different kinds of food items we eat, and you will also learn to identify the foods we get from the animals and the food that we get from the plants. Okay students, so let's start reading this chapter. So students, turn your page and come to the page number 8 and start reading with me without wasting a single minute. Okay students, so let's start. So put finger on the first line students, on the page number 8. Shana does not like to eat vegetables and fruits. Her mother is worried. Worried, what do you mean by worried students? Worried means sad or stressed. Okay, Shana gets tired easily and she is often sick. So what is mean by sick students? Sick means ill. Okay, so as you can see in this picture students, look at this picture in your book. This is a little girl and her name is Shana. Okay, this little girl's name is Shana, and she don't like to eat vegetables and fruits. She don't like to eat vegetables and fruits, and she also don't like to eat whatever her mother cooked for her. Okay, she don't like to eat healthy foods, and that is why she often get sick. Okay, she often fall ill, and she always feel tired. Okay, she always feel tired because she has no more energy like the other children. So the children who do not like to eat vegetables, fruits and healthy food items, they often get sick and they easily tired. Okay, so they tired easily, so we should always eat healthy food. Okay, so what we learn from this story students? We learn that we should always eat healthy food. Whatever your mom cooks for you, you should eat. Okay, now students, give me answer of a question that how many times we take meal in a day. Can you tell me how many times we take meal in a day? We take meals 3 times in a day. When we take meal, we take meal in our in our breakfast. Okay, so it's called our breakfast. In the starting of our day, we take a meal and it's called our breakfast. And then after passing the half period of the day, in the noon, we take our lunch. Okay, so it's called our lunch. We take our meal and it's called lunch. Okay, and then we take a meal in the night time and it's called our dinner. Is that clear, students? So we take our meal 3 times in a day. Breakfast, first one is breakfast, second one is lunch, and the third one is dinner. Okay, now move on to the next line, students. So put finger on the next line. Omar eats healthy food that his mother cooks for him. Oman Omar is full of energy. Okay, so look at this picture, students, in your book. This boy is eating his meal with so many joy, with so happiness. Okay, so this boy's name is Omar. Okay, this boy's name is Omar, and he likes to eat healthy foods. As you can see in this picture, he is eating his meal with happiness. Okay, so Omar eats healthy food. Okay, so Omar likes to eat healthy food and that his mother cooks for him. Okay, so her mother cooks healthy food for Omar, and he doesn't forbidden her mother that he won't eat such foods. He eat whatever her mother cooks for him. Okay, so Omar is full of energy. Why Omar is full of energy, students? Can you tell me? Because Omar eats healthy foods. Is that clear? So that is why Omar is full of energy. He never gets tired. He never often gets sick. Okay, so you all students should eat always vegetables, fruits and healthy food. Okay, that your mother cooks for you. Now move on to the next paragraph, students, and put finger on the first line of the next paragraph. We eat food when we are hungry. So students, when we eat food, we eat food when we feel like to eat food. Okay, so when we feel hungry, we eat food. We take our meal when we feel hungry. Okay, why do we need food? So students, any one of you can answer me that why we need food. Why do we need food, students? We need food to live. Okay, we need food to survive. Okay, we need food to live. Without food, can you imagine your life without food? No, we can't imagine our life without food, because food is our basic need. Okay, food is one of our basic needs. Food gives us the energy to work and play. Okay, so where do we get energy to work and play, students? We get energy to work and play from our meal, from our food. Is that clear? So you should always eat healthy food items. If we do not eat enough, we will feel weak. Food makes us strong. It also helps us grow. Okay, so when we do not feel when we do not eat enough food, we feel very weak. Okay, so we do not feel so energetic. We easily get tired and we feel very weak. We do not like when we are feeling weak, we don't like to work anything, and we don't want to go out for playing or doing any work or studying anything we do not like to do when we feel weak. Okay, we just want to lying on the bed and sleeping. Okay, but when we eat enough food, when we eat the right food item, when we eat the good food items like vegetables, fruits, healthy food items, then we feel so energetic and we like to go out to play, to work, or doing anything else. Okay students, food makes us strong and our food makes us strong. Okay, so we will be strong or not, it also depends on our food. Okay, so we should always eat healthy food because our food makes us strong. And if you want eat healthier food, then how will you be healthy? You will, if you want eat healthy food, then you will become weak, like Shana. Okay, you will be weak, you will be weak like a Shana. But when you will eat healthy food, you will become like a Omar. Is that clear? And it also helps us grow. Okay, so we uh, we grow day by day, as you know, as you all know, we all grow by day by the help of our food. Okay, there are so many food items that helps us to grow. Okay, so students, the further portion of this chapter we will read in our next video. Okay, so next class, bye bye, till then, bye bye, take care of yourself and complete your homework that is given in your live classes. Okay students, so don't forget to complete your homework that given your during your live classes, and keep in mind what all you have learned in this class. Okay students, okay, bye bye, take care of yourself.